Hi guys, what's up guys? How you doing? I'm hoping that you're doing good. My name is Bonari Nyakina and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Do remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And today I'm joined with
Sly.
Yay. Hi Sly.
Hi.
And yeah, you've seen her before. She was actually in the last video. I don't know, what's your name?
Carol.
Yeah, Carol. She's called Carol. So today again, we're doing another video of us exploring. Tulisema hii Nairobi tutatembea, and that's what we are doing. We are going to another place, and this place is very much alike like the last place we had gone to, but I think it's a little bit different. So tutafika huko and then we'll see how different it is from the last place we had gone. And tell me guys, do you think this one is much better than the last place? And by the way, if you have not watched that video, I'll be linking it somewhere up. It's a pop to kwa screen yako. You go watch it. And I hope you enjoy this one. Like, comment, and do all that. Where we are, this place is so beautiful. Like I'm yet to find another place in Nairobi like this. This place is actually located in Karen. So tumeanza hapa ndio tunaanzia kutembea, and I will be gladly taking you along. So come back. Okay guys, so you might ask, what is this place good for? Like, what are you paying for? It is basically a nature trail, and you get to walk like right in the middle of the jungle. Like, look at this, look around me. It is all trees, and it has a waterfall, and what else? Caves. Yeah, that is basically it. So if you need some time off to just relax and, you know, get away from everything, this is basically it. Hi baby girl.
Hi.
What's up? What's up? What are you doing
I'm
here?
trying to show people how this place is. So scary.
Yeah. I feel like we really need a tour guide. seen the waterfall, so pretty, and now we're gonna go to the cages and see what's in there. I'm so scared though. This place honestly is scary to me, and I feel like we should have a guard with us. You know what I say? Yeah, honestly, that's what I'm feeling. But now we're gonna see what's good in the cave. Like, I should be having those pan for, you know, those bad jokes for like today feels like a bad joke though.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs, I'm
Honestly,
hitting, I'll
guys,
never look back,
if you
moving
trip,
on till
if
I
you make
get
a
it all.
mistake and trip, or rather, if even you fall down a bit, you're in trouble. But yeah, I feel that that's how nature is supposed to be. It's not supposed to be like smooth all the way. So yeah, that's what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Look at this. So scary though. Even these woods, they feel a little, you know, clean. They're not like strong. I don't think they are.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at.
I'm not so sure if I'm
I
gonna
guess I
go
look
inside
here,
the
look
soda
there, over where am I
and
scared, where am
already
I
paying
at?
buyer,
I gotta make it in this
I'm gonna
life,
do that
whatever
by
makes me
using
happy,
those
know I'm
and
doing
then
things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe?
oh my god, no guys!
What you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?
Adventure, we say that. Imagine. What? What? This one.
This one says go in, but
But they could have told us, they could have given us precautions.
it seems like a right?
Oh God. But guys, if we wanted to be like freaky. Okay. Woo! Tumeogopeshwa huko ndani. Is not the safest place. It is so scary.
No, it's not scary. It's scary.
I scared you guys. No, Sly, what happened, Sly? What happened?
There were wasps.
Were those, are you sure?
Yeah, trust me, I can show you. They're over here. And I said wasps, right?
Was that it? Mimi niliona kitu ikianguka. At least if I was in danger, I could not be like, you know, giving it shots. So far, guys, we have seen the waterfall. We have tried going into the cave, but we didn't go in too deep. So that's basically it. and honestly I prefer the other place that we went to this one. So for this place I'd rate it as 7, and for the other place I'd rate it as solid 9. So you guys can definitely come. Kama wewe ni mtu wa exercises and you want to lose some bit of calories, kuja, this is the place for you. And yeah, so I'm still gonna give it a 7, but hatujamaliza bado. I'm gonna get you guys there if we get there. Here we are, tuko Oloolua nature trail. So pretty, so green, and there we have that Slay Queen. Okay, alafu we have, are you not?
I'm Mama.
So what's your point?
My point is, I'm a working hard lady.
Oh, so Slay Queen are not working hard like look at that. Huyu dem ya work hard.
Kwani ulilitoka
Lakini
me don't work hard, excuse me. I work hard.
Miss Independent.
Who's big? I'm the one who works hard. It's me, cause mini mama love.
Well, okay, I see you.
You take pictures of me. You shut him and then support me. No. Yeah. She's leading, and she's the number one who is afraid. You wanted to see your reaction.
Where is the map?
The map is so silly, honestly. I can just see arrows. So you're trying to show your hips on my camera. There's an arrow here saying we should go that way.
Kwanza mimi ndio +1.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Hello, hi. It's your girl Bonareri Nyekina. Subscribe to my channel.